Hi, I'm Riccardo Rossi, CEO of FerWood Group. This year at LIGNA, we are introducing and presenting our new brand. It's called Ferwood Customized. It's a unique process where we build machinery according to customer requirements to satisfy their production needs.
Hi, my name is Diego Piersanti and I'm the Key Accounts Manager for Ferwood USA Corporation. This week at LIGNA, Ferwood presented its new brand, which is Ferwood Customized, where we used old frames from machines, the heavy-duty one like were built in the past, completely transformed them for the new buyers, taking care of all the new electronics, all pneumatics. We can change all the components, providing almost new machine with all the details that the customer wants. Sometimes they want specific applications, specific performances, and we're happy to follow their lead and provide what they want. So, of course, who is looking for new machinery, they need to get rid of the older ones, and we are happy to support them on that side of business. So we can purchase the machines for them, we can relocate for them, we can dismantle and provide service 360 degrees.
Hello, I'm Diego Marino, Sales Engineering Manager of the FerWood Group. With the FerWood Network, we are trying to connect customers together, connect the needs to one customer with the need to another customer. So maybe there is a customer that has a machine that you want to sell, is a surplus in his production. We can connect this customer with our huge network in the world with another customer that's looking for exactly this machine. So this is the FerWood Network. We try to connect customers together.
Ferwood Customized is a new brand, but it's part of our branding. We have more than 400 machines available in our stock, and whatever you need, we are able to find a solution that can fit your requirements. Whether you're looking to buy or to sell a machinery, please contact us and we do our best to satisfy your needs.